In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Zoom. Whether you're trying to streamline your meeting scheduling process or just want to save time by automating Zoom meeting links, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that simplifies booking appointments, and when paired with Zoom, it ensures every meeting you schedule includes a ready-to-go video link. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To get started, open up your browser and head to the Calendly website. Simply type in www.calendly.com and hit enter. Once you're there, look for the login button right on the homepage. Go ahead and click that to begin accessing your account. Now, to make things quick and easy, select the Continue with Google option. This is especially convenient if you're already logged into your Google account, as it skips the need for extra credentials. After that, choose the Google account you want to use with Calendly. Make sure it's the account you use for professional purposes, especially if you want your scheduling to stay consistent and well integrated across platforms. Next, you'll be prompted to grant Calendly the permissions it needs to access your Google account. This step is essential because it allows Calendly to check your calendar availability and automatically schedule meetings without any double booking. Go ahead and approve the permissions to continue setting up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. From here, navigate over to the Event Types page. This is where you'll manage your scheduling and events. But for now, let's set up the Zoom integration. Locate the section that says Integrations and Apps within your dashboard and click on it. In the Integrations option, search for Zoom. You'll either find it listed among the categories or you can use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you spot it, click on Zoom to move forward. Now, select the option that says Connect Zoom for Myself. This choice is perfect if you're setting up your personal account and managing your own meetings. If you're working on behalf of a team or organization, there might be other options, but for most of you watching, this is the one you'll want to pick. At this stage, you'll need to sign into your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom email address and password when prompted, then hit the Sign In button. This step securely links your Zoom account with Calendly, allowing the two platforms to communicate seamlessly. Once the connection is complete, double-check that the integration is active, head back to your Calendly dashboard, and you should see confirmation that Zoom is now connected. If everything is set up correctly, you're ready to start scheduling meetings. To test it out, try creating a new event in Calendly. As you go through the scheduling process, verify that a Zoom meeting link is automatically generated and included in the invite that gets sent to your attendees. This ensures that every meeting you schedule through Calendly will come with a fully configured Zoom link, saving you time and effort. So there you have it. Now you know exactly how to connect Calendly with Zoom, streamlining your scheduling process and making your meetings even more efficient. If you have any questions or want to share how this setup works for you, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.